Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
MLA jangka Voice of the People Party na North Shillong constituency ba Adelbert nongrum ulat herting sorkar haying dorbar thawan jangka jela halor ka Kyntait jangka MECL ban pentmai biang ya ka jingshimwa jang ba Michael NCM ya ka Dowlen nong lumpong deng ka badan ha umyam ba Adelbert loong ba ka ni ka jingle jang sorkar ka long da khompong bat ka pen ban ba ka Kyntait yu Trai Muluk bat ka khot ban ya ki he Saipan ki Nabar ban sengkam hang ni ling ba kata ka Meghalaya Invest Agency ulo ong ba kat bau dang keren hayeng dorbar uba Michael NCM udang ya ki ahmat sekretariat bat ai ba ki pat ba kin bishar ya kini ka jingle jong sarkar haba jubab ya kini ka jingkran jong ba Adelbert menteri katnat boarding Abu Ther mondal ulo ong ba ka sarkar kam shim la le da kabor Henry kaya tik kat kum ka jinge soi sekolah ba Michael NCM namar ha ka jinge soi sekolah Lakran syai balada ka MECL ka don kam ya ka jaka kala ban shimno ha kanu kanu ka poru ulo ong ba sarkar ka don kam ya ki jaka ban wan ra ki kampen roi kumta ka ban shimno nau ba Michael CM bat ya kani ulo ong balale ling ba ka jingas thu jungmot lang ba Michael CM
uba medic Michael bam IY shu ka MECL ya ka lumpong deng Sri Adelbert Longrum MLA please
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for allowing me to move a matter of grave importance at this zero hour, in accordance with Rules 49A. Yes, I will not be making a speech, but I will stick to raising the matter by presenting the facts as they are and posing the question to government. Before I begin, let me remind myself and all of us that let's stop talking only about politics, but let's stop talking about policy. But Michael CM is the chairman of Machaprang Tourism Promotion Group. And even as I speak, he is currently on the street outside Secretariat, raising a voice of protest against the decision of Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, MECL, not to renew the lease for tourism promotion activities at Lompongdeng Island, located within Omnium Lake. Since 1997, MECL has been granting lease of Lompongdeng Island to Bamait, Machaprang Tourism Promotion Group. And gradually, with the start of tourism promotion activities, the island, which earlier witnessed deforestation by timber logging, when four-wheels trucks could cross at dry season. Today, we can clearly see ecological restoration with afforestation and even wildlife returning. In the tourism circuit, Mr. Speaker, sir, Lompongdeng Lake Island is widely known as an idyllic retreat for young and old who go to visit. And it is particularly sought after as a wedding venue and honeymoon destination. Since 2008, Bamait, Machaprang Tourism Promotion Group has added a boat house, which is the first of its kind in Meghalaya and even in the Northeast. Honorable Mr. Speaker, sir, through the years since 1997. The tourism promotion activities at Lumpong Deng has brought revenue to the government and given employment to not just the family of caretaker who reside on the lake island, but to many others in the surrounding local economy as well. So after 27 years, a barren patch of land in the middle of Omnyam Lake, which government earlier did not bother to give much importance, today stands out as a beautiful and valuable tourist spot, thanks largely to the visionary and extraordinary effort of Michael CM. We should appreciate for his effort. In fact, Mr. Speaker, sir, the question I ask in this 0 hour is for the government to consider. On one hand, you are denying renewing lease of MECL land to a local tourism promotion group which has brought much value to the state. And yet, on the other hand, you are offering similar MECL land around Omnyam Lake to big-time investor. Let the people judge in this regards. Who are outsiders through the Invest Meghalaya policy. This, it cannot be called policy. I dare to mention that it is a conspiracy. It's not a policy. Anyone can go online and browse the Invest Meghalaya website to see for themselves. What we get to know is that the land bank being offered at Omnyam is 300 acres. And the area is shown as 4 plots lying very much alongside Omnyam Lake on the eastern side and indicated as belonging to Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, MEECL. Also on the website, this 300 acres at Omnyam is shown as land for new industrial estate that is ready for notification. So even as Michael's aim is standing on the street outside Kyntait to protest, I am similarly standing here in the August House to question the policy of this government. Are you giving up on local entrepreneur because now you want to invite big players? Are you giving up a local entrepreneurs because now you want to invite big players? I repeat again. Is your Invest Meghalaya policy pro-outsider and anti-local? The people of the state want a clear explanation. With these few words, Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank you once again for allowing me to raise a matter of grave importance through this 0 hour. I'll resume my seat.
Thank you.
I expect with a positive
May
reply.
I request the Minister in charge to make a reply, please?
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, at the very outset, I am very much thankful to the honorable member from 17th North Shillong constituency, Adelbert Nongrum, for raising a very important issue that appeared in a local newspaper, Maupur, dated 27 February 2025, under the caption, Hakamat, segregated in Yaki Uba Michael Shim, bam ai wai shu ka MCL ya u Lumpong Dang. Sir, Lumpong Dang Island at Umiam Lake is a plot of land measuring about 1,64,797.48 square meter or 40.72 acres owned by MECL within the Umiam Lake, out of which a plot of land measuring about 1 acre was leased out to Macha Frank Tourism Promotion Group for a period of 10 years with effect from 7th February 1997 up to 6th February 2007 at an annual lease rent of rupees 10 lakh per annum with an enhancement at a rate of 5% every year. Thereafter, and subsequently, the lease rent is extended accordingly on the request of the lessee, since the land in question was yet to utilized by the lessor. The land in question is now needed by the government for the purpose of various developmental activities. Accordingly, the chairman of Machaprang Tourism Promotion Group, Shillong, was informed by letter dated 11 November 2024 that extension of land lease will no longer be extended after the lease period is expired, which has already expired on the 31st December 2024. The Machaprang Tourism Promotion Group, Shillong, was requested to vacate the land and remove all the structures and buildings erected thereon as per clause number 7 of the lease agreement, which stated that, I quote, if the land is at any time before the expiry of the period of this agreement required by the board corporation for its own use or for any purpose of the board, the lessee shall, after being served with 1 month's notice, vacate possession of the land and the building, and the board or its successor shall have the power to use the land. The lessee shall, however, have the right to remove all the buildings and structures erected by it on the land within a period of 1 month. The chairman of the Machaprang Tourism Promotion Group, by letter dated 15th January 2025, requested the MECL to extend the deadline so as to enable them to pursue the matter with the authorities concerned. The same has been entertained and extended up to 15th of February 2025 to enable him to initiate further necessary action in line with clause 7 of the land lease agreement. Sir, as raised by honorable member, we have taken this matter very seriously. We have given the opportunity to the lessee also, and we had extended discussion with him. Our intention is not that we want to snatch away, but what we are doing as per the original agreement, as per clause 7 of the agreement. The matter has been discussed with the lessee, and I can tell the honorable member that the matter has now been resolved. Sir, with these few words, I hope I have clarified the honorable member. Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
Thank you.